Hey guys, thought I'd make a quick little video of the new project. I installed this little Harbor Freight 2,500 pound winch in the floor and going to attempt to pull the new Ford Ranger project in. Its back brakes are a little sticky, so it's going to be kind of a workout for this little winch. So let's see what happens. Oh, forgot to lock it up. There she goes. It's got a pretty good lip right here. It's about 4 inches, maybe 5, where that tire's gonna come up. So we'll see what happens. It's not liking that too much, but it did it. Oh yeah. This is gonna make my life a lot easier. Got to put a new fuel pump and a battery in this thing, then it should run. And the maintenance is a little lacking, so I'm going to redo all the boxes and give it an oil change and change the coolant and all that stuff. Oh yeah, pulled it right in. And the back brakes are so sticky that I can't even push this thing by hand. So we'll go ahead and yank it as far as we can. Call it good. That should do it. Alright. This little Harbor Freight guy did the trick. It's got, I sunk some anchors in the floor so I didn't have any bolts sticking out, and I'll just take those 2 bolts out, take the winch, throw it on the shelf, put the battery on the tender, and call it good. And that's it. America.